Monday, here we go with a very moist start to a Monday, already tracking numerous showers and thunderstorms rolling in from west to east, with it the potential for heavy downpours. 5% chance of flash flooding, excessive rainfall, rain rates of 2 inches per hour. Some areas could get 4 inches alone today, and then also a 5% chance of damaging wind. That pretty much goes from this morning right into this evening for the southern half of our area, but we'll see showers and storms even in the northern portions of our viewing area. You can see everything chugging along from west to east, and some heavy downpours showing up here in the bright reds and fuchsia colors. You can see the storms continue to fester just south of Albany, and then moving east, more storms filling in from north to south. It's going to be a very active afternoon and evening, so do not leave the house without the umbrella.